Greetings, welcome back to Huiyaolaser YouTube official channel. So in today's episode, I am at one of our new clients' factory. So I think in today's episode, I'm gonna give you another introduction of this line. So about this line, the efficiency for this line is around 10 to 12 ppm, and which means it can generate 1.5 gigawatts hour per 1 year per one shift. Before we jump into the line introduction, I want to say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to everyone that have been following, supporting our channel. I wish all of you have a really happy, healthy 2025. 新年快乐，恭喜发财. Okay, without further ado, let's jump in. So for the first workstation, that will be cell automatic loading. We are using like a KUKA robo arm to grab 4 battery cells at one time and loading them onto this double speed chain. And after the cell onto this double speed chain, we have like QR code scanning. Will automatically scan each QR code of the battery cell. Right after the cell is on the double speed chain, the first workstation that will be OCV testing. It will detection for the cell's voltage and inner resistance. Like this workstation. Right now the 4 cells enter to the first workstation, detection for the voltage and inner resistance. And also we are using Huiyaolaser tester for this workstation. Then moving forward, this 4 cell will enter to the next workstation that will be NG buffering. If the battery cell's inner resistance or voltage is not meet for the requirement, we have a gripper will automatically transfer the battery cell into the NG buffering area. At the same time, we have OK cell, which means the cell is OK, and then the gripper will automatically fill the empty with the OK cell over here. Forward for next one, that will be for the polarity detection. We also have like a detection mechanism to testing each battery cell's polarity and then make sure the order of the module is right. For example, when we are assembly of the battery module, usually can be like a negative, positive in that order. So this polarity or detection, this mechanism will make sure the order of the module is not going to have anything like this match. Okay, that's moving forward. This is our industrial computer. Oh, and also I just released a new video regarding to if like other non-Chinese like engineer, can they understand our system? The answer is yes. We can have like a multiple language setting in the system. this girl and the boy, they are actually applying for the glue on the top of the battery cell. So because right now they are in mass production, they have like work 2 shifts, so that's why there's 2 operators over here. So this foam, I think I'll give you a closer look. This looks like this. It's kind of like a double adhesive on the 2 sides. So operators will apply the glue on the top of the battery cell, and then the robot arm will grab the battery cell and then place them onto the stacking table. Engineer is working busy right now. Okay, next one. This part is really fancy part, okay? The first robot arm will grab the 4 battery cell with the glue on the top, of course, and then place them onto the stacking table. Also for this stacking table, we actually have like 2 layers. So when the top layer is being full with the battery cell, the top layer will transfer from position A to position B. Moving forward. Oh, and then here is the material card we usually will provide to our client to, for the operator to storage some of the components they're gonna use. Okay, for the next one, this will be the part that most operator involved, that will be pressing workstation. So the battery module, that robot arm will grab the battery modules being stacked and then place them into the pressing table workstation. Because this, like I mentioned in the beginning of this line, is 12 ppm, which means we have like 1, 2, 3, 4 pressing workstation. So this operator will install the 2 steel belt on the top of the pressing table and then press the button. And then we have like a mechanism over here. You can actually automatically press the battery into a certain level. And also we have provide all of this material cards for our client. So after the second robot arm grab the battery module, the module will enter to this section by the robot arm. So this operator will use the QR code scanning gun to scan each battery cell's QR code and then binding each cell's QR code into one module, generate one module code, and then apply the module sticker on the top of the end place. After binding, the first workstation we will do will be the insulation detection. In here, we will have like a tester to testing the whole module's insulation, make sure all the connection is connected properly. Okay, the next one. This will be terminal pole photography. We have like camera to track each terminal pole's like location, and then generate one coordinate of each terminal pole, x-axis and y-axis, and data feeding to the rest of the workstation. So that will be this workstation is designed for terminal pole photography. Going forward, I see here, yes, I think this door will be safer for me to open. This workstation, that will be, because sometimes when you have battery cell, there's a chance that operator might touch it, or there's some electric light on the top, or sometimes you have like dust on the top. So make sure we have like a best laser welding effect. We add this workstation, it's called terminal pole laser cleaning. We have like using like 200 watts to clean the surface, make sure there's no other material on the top of the terminal pole. So this is what be the laser cleaning of the battery module. I think you can get a closer look. Okay. After this module is being laser cleaned, this module will enter to this section. This will be the operator will install the CCS on the top of the battery module. We can look from there. Okay, and then moving forward, be careful. So after the module is entered to the laser welding workstation, the module will directly be laser welded. Because right now the safety is concerned, so we are not allowed to open the door. But you can get a closer look here. This module is being laser welded, and then we'll enter to, be careful, to the next workstation. That will be post-welding cleaning. Module will enter to this manually workstation, and then where this operator will use this brush to clean the welding point to make sure there's no other dust of the welding. And also, this operator will use some manually tools to make sure the laser welding is proper. Oh, and also once he's being detection, everything is working fine. He's also left some mark on the top of the each terminal pole, each welding point. Make sure everything is being tracked. So right now, like I said, operator is using this brush to clean the welding point. Okay, this module will going forward. For the next one will be the EOL detection or EOL testing. Mostly for EOL, we were testing for the whole modules like a temperature, like a voltage, or overall inner resistance. Then, because right now for this client, their detection for the EOL offline, so I will add this footage. So for this one, once the module is being transferred to at the end part of this line or directly enter to the buffering, either the buffering zone or to directly enter to the pack line. So right now, this two operator will transfer this battery module and then place them onto this buffering zone. That will be for the module line of how one cell can become like a module. And then what will be the next one? How a module can become like a pack. For the first process, they have like the host over here. They will automatically transfer the pack lowercase online or unloading. For the next one, we have like a air tightness testing machine to test for the pack lowercase air tightness. And for the next one, we have operator to use alcohol to clean the bottom lowercase and also apply this kind of heat conduction glue. For the next one, for this line, they also add another rubber arm to apply AB glue, this two kind of glue mixing together and apply the glue on the bottom of the pack lowercase. Okay, so for the rest of it, be careful. For the next one, that will be high voltage installation. Excuse me, and this will be the low voltage installation. And then over here will be the process. The operator will install the top cover of the pack. So that's why we have the crane, because the pack cover case is really, really heavy. And then once the top cover is being installed, we have another testing air tightness workstation. It will be testing for this time. The air tightness we're testing for the whole package. Is not only the pack lowercase anymore. Okay, for the next one, that will be EOL detection for the whole pack. And then you can measure the weights and then packaging and the label of the pack QR code. Those will be our client products. Okay, so I think that will be for the automation multi-pack production line. On my right hand, that will be for the automation line. And on my left hand, that will be semi-automation line, which means the line efficiency like around 8 ppm. It can generate like around 0.8 to 1 gigawatts hour per 1 year per 1 shift. So if you have this kind of need or interested in this kind of equipment, you can always reach out to Huiyaolaser, like Huiyaolaser over here. And then our official website, that will be www.huiyaolaser.com. And if you want to reach out to me personally, and this is my email address and this is my WhatsApp number, you can always know where to find me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in next episode. Bye.